Navigating the world of home loans can be pretty overwhelming when you're doing it on your own. If you get it wrong, you can end up paying more in interest and fees, and you can have a product that doesn't work for you. If you get it right, well, you can have confidence that you have a home loan that's under control and that you're minimizing your fees and your interest expenses, and that your home loan is overall working for you. This blog will cover the 3 myths about mortgage brokers that's costing homeowners and how you can benefit from knowing the truth. So myth number 1, believing that your mortgage broker costs more to use than going direct to a bank. This is understandable because mortgage brokers provide you with a service. We're finding the most competitive home loans and providing you with a suite of options that's going to suit your goals and situation. This takes time, actually, sometimes a lot more than you might think. So surely we get paid for this. Yes, we do. We certainly do, but it's not by you. The lenders pay us a commission, which they see as pretty much as their operating costs. Okay, we provide a lot of clients to lenders. Last quarter, we provided 2/3 of the loans that were written by brokers. So the lenders invest in brokers. They call it the broker channel. They provide us with lender reps, training and tools so that we can support you. There's no extra cost to you. You get the same deals if you went direct to the lenders. But sometimes mortgage brokers may need to charge you a fee for service. We do have that option, but a quote must be provided to you before we start the work, not after. So if you use a mortgage broker, we'll be comparing a huge variety of lenders and products to arrive at a selection that best suits your needs with the most competitive interest rates. You have a better chance of success as we check your fit with the lender policies as well. You can have confidence that you're looking at the most competitive deal for your situation with the greatest chance of success. Myth number 2. Mortgage brokers only provide product options that give them the highest commissions. Is that true? Believing this is understandable because each broker needs to be accredited with each lender before they can offer their products. So actually the variety of products that they can offer you depends on how many lenders that they are accredited with. Some brokers are either lazy or choose to limit themselves. Now, we also can't just offer you the lender that's going to give us the highest commission. It's basically illegal. There is a huge amount of red tape in our industry, and as of January 21st, it's actually legislated that we act in our clients' best interest and prioritize your interests when we provide credit assistance. So to cover yourself, make sure that your mortgage broker has a really good variety of lenders that they're accredited with. You can do this by checking on the credit guide that they'll provide you at the beginning. It'll list out all the lenders that they're accredited with, and make sure that you get all the legal documents from them, the credit guide and the credit proposal, and read through the credit proposal. This will tell you why they chose the lender options and how you ended up getting to the actual lender and product that you decided to take. Myth number 3. Mortgage brokers only want to refinance every 2 to 3 years to make more money. So sure, this is understandable because it's actually quite frustrating, I know, when you change lenders. I do it too. But the truth is that lenders are in competition with each other, and new clients are offered, deals to get them over to that lender. But current clients, all they get really is rate creep. So any good broker worth their salt is going to be reviewing their clients' interest rates each year. Okay, so they might be negotiating with the lender to ask for a discount, we call it pricing, or if that pricing comes back and it's still not very competitive, then we might be suggesting that a refinance is going to be beneficial. So if you decide to avoid these annual reviews, or worse, maybe you went direct to a bank and they don't provide you with an annual review, then there's a good chance that over time you're going to experience rate creep and not be on the most competitive interest rate. So instead, take your annual review when it's offered, or seek out a broker to review your situation if you went direct to a bank. So in summary, to benefit from the truth about mortgage brokers, Remember that it's a free service to use a mortgage broker, and that if they're going to charge you, that they have to provide you with a quote up front, not after they've done the work. Remember that we're heavily regulated and that we are required to act in your best interest. Just make sure that you read that credit proposal key guide and give your broker the go-ahead to do an annual review for you to take advantage of the most competitive deals out there. You know, if you don't believe that the savings is worth you refinancing, you don't need to do it, but definitely check out to make sure that you're making a really conscious decision around that. This has helped. If you want the 5 proven steps to reduce monthly repayments fast and do it yourself, click the link below to get my free download for homeowners. It's called the Lower Repayment Cheat Sheet. Just click the link below, it'll take you to it. Thanks.